it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we are so excited to be one of the sponsors for the Christmas in July Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers Linky Party. So this hop and Linky party will run from July 19th through the 26th. You can create a card and link it up. It has to be a holiday card. All the details will be on their blog. I'll have it linked in the description box for you. You can also head on over to my blog post. I have a special coupon code just for the hoppers. You can grab that code and pick up some of your favorite Not Too Shabby supplies. I want to share the beautiful cards I created using Sketch Challenge number 47 from the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers group. So Not Too Shabby is giving away a $25 gift certificate to one lucky winner. So here's the sketch I used. I thought it was a really great sketch with all these mats and layers. So let's dig into the cards that I've created. And I've used the Christmas tea bundle from Not Too Shabby. This is now back in stock. These flew off the shelf. This bundle is so beautiful. The ephemera is just so pretty with these beautiful images of teapots. There's even some puppies with teacups in here. Just stunning. I love the imagery. You do get a beautiful set of coordinating enamel dots. They have sparkle in them. They're really, really pretty. You can find those listed individually as well if you wanted to pick up some extra packs. I do have the ephemera listed individually. The rustic Christmas paper pad is also listed individually, but I think I have limited quantities on that. But you can get this with the bundle. So very beautiful. So let's take a look at these cards that I created, and I also created a tag. So let me show you the tag. So I created this tag with our cozy mug die, which is a really cute die that creates like a cappuccino. There's a spoon and a candy in there. There's several pieces in the die set. You can make the mug with a little poinsettia, or there's also a snowflake. There's the word cozy. You can also put the little candy as the O or top it off on your whipped cream. There's also a spoon in there. It's a really, really cute die set. You can use that on cards or create tags. And this time I created a cute little tag. Added that adorable puppy with the teacup, the spoon, and then just decorated the top with some ribbon and some eyelash trim. So there's my tag. Here's a card using the Sketch 47. Turned out super, super pretty. I added warm wishes for a sentiment, and I love that vintage girl, and then added some sparkling enamel dots on there. And here's the second card using Sketch 47. Turned out really pretty. Really, really love these cards. So great sketch. And then with all the leftovers from my 3 projects, I created this card using just scraps. So I pieced together some strips I had left over. I had this little panel and I added some peel-off stickers to fill in some little gaps. And then I have the sentiment, have a cup of cheer with the really beautiful ephemera to top it off. Added some sparkling enamel dots as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the inspiration for this beautiful Christmas tea collection. The links will be in the description box. You can head on over to Crystal's blog and check out all the fun. I hope you guys hop along and link up a card and get ahead of your holiday stash. Thanks for spending some time with me, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!